YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Strap TG back at it again. Leave a like if you guys like the content and subscribe for future videos, guys. So on today's DIY, guys, is gonna be connecting to your Bluetooth radio in a Freightliner Cascadia. I had two of my friends call me up about it, so I said, hey, why not do a video? So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so this is the radio in the Freightliner Cascadia. As you can see at the top, it says Bluetooth. Now, a lot of drivers don't know that this button also turns on the radio. As you can see, the power button on the top. So you're gonna hold down on the button and you're gonna wait for the welcoming sign to come up. There we go. Alright, we're gonna give that some time to come up. You need to make sure that on your phone, your Bluetooth is ready. And you're gonna have to give it some time to come up. You're gonna wait for the Bluetooth symbol to come up right here. If not, you can always hold down on the Bluetooth button. There it goes. It says add phone. Normally, if the Bluetooth button doesn't come up right away, you click on it, it will say enable, and you'd have to press it again. So now we're gonna press this again. It says add phone. You're just gonna press down on that, and on your phone, you gotta set it to scan. And this is what you're gonna be looking for, DEA 500. Click on that. There's a pin comes up. It's gonna ask you down here, pair, and you're just gonna give it permission for everything. And also with the Android phone, it gives you the option of hidden on calls. So when your phone rings, the calls will go to the radio, or you can choose to just keep it on your headset, as you know all of we truck drivers have. All right, and then you're gonna hit search on the radio. All right, BT audio search. So it's paused. Wait till that's off. You can turn it up, and then we're gonna go to a video real quick. Let's see what happened, guys.
In my first year as an owner-operator, I grossed over $200,000.
And it's that simple, guys. Not a big deal. So that's how we do it. Simple DIY as usual, guys. There we go, guys. Not a long video. Really short, really simple. Again, thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any suggestions on any DIY, leave it in the comment. Leave a like, subscribe for future videos. Peace. I'm out. Your boy, Strap TJ.